Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin GPS to your phone. First, download the Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store. Next, make sure your Garmin device is fully charged and powered on. Then, enable Bluetooth on both your smartphone and your Garmin GPS. Finally, open the Garmin Connect app and begin the pairing process by following the clear on-screen instructions. Once the app is open, select your specific Garmin device model from the list provided. The Garmin Connect app will then use Bluetooth to search for your device. A 6-digit pairing code will appear on your Garmin GPS screen. Carefully enter this code into the app on your phone. After entering the code, confirm the connection on both your phone and your Garmin device to complete the pairing. With your devices successfully paired, your Garmin GPS will automatically begin to synchronize data with the Connect app. You can then review all your activity data, health metrics, and device settings directly within the application. The app offers detailed insights into your fitness progress and navigation history. For the best experience, always ensure you have a stable internet connection for efficient data synchronization. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and Garmin device often resolves the problem. Always check for the latest software updates on both your smartphone and your Garmin GPS to ensure compatibility. For a stable Bluetooth connection, keep your phone and Garmin device within 10 meters of each other. If problems persist, Garmin's official support website offers comprehensive troubleshooting guides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.